Hello everyone, this is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing how to add or remove free shipping in TikTok Shop. So it is going to be pretty simple process, so make sure you stick till the end of this video. Also make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So it is going to be super amazing if you actually do that. Now, talking about how to actually add or remove your shipping fee on your TikTok shop, what you need to do is simply head over to your TikTok Seller Center, TikTok Shop Seller Center. Once you are there, you are going to be clicking on the create option, and then under the second section, fill out how would you like promotional shipping discount to be. So you can either enable free shipping or you can enable partial discount. So it is not going to be fully free. Instead you can charge some amount, or you can add promotional criteria as well. So like for example, if they spend minimum of $50, $100, $500, then you are going to be providing that discount. So yeah, that's how you can set up your free shipping system in TikTok Shop. So yeah, it is going to be pretty simple for you guys. Let us know in the comments below if you found this video helpful, and if you also have any question, you can let us know in the comments as well. Make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So it is going to be an all in all very nice package. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.